Students, welcome to our geography class. With the last video, we had started our fifth chapter of geography, that is temperature. Today, we will continue the same chapter. Students, also a reminder, this is the last chapter for your semester portion of geography. So let's get started. The fifth chapter of geography, temperature. In the previous video, we had learnt about unequal distribution of heat received from the sun. We learn about factors influencing unequal distribution of temperature, heating and cooling of land water. Today, in this video, we will study ranges of temperature, vertical distribution of temperature, effects of greenhouse gases. Students, so let's get started with today's video. Now, ranges of temperature. The difference in maximum and minimum temperatures of a day is called range of temperature. Now you will realize, students, in the morning, sometimes the temperature is different. In the evening, the temperature is different. In the afternoon, the temperature is different. So these up and down of temperature is called as range of temperature. You will realize sometimes in the morning, you will feel little cold. Similarly, in the afternoon or the same day, you might feel little hot. Again, in the evening, you might feel little hot. Night time, again, you might feel little cold. So this up and down of temperature, maximum temperature, minimum temperature in a day is called as range of temperature. You will understand morning it is different, evening it is different, again afternoon it is different, evening it is different, night time it is different. So this differences in temperature in the day, afternoon, evening, night is called as range in temperature. The difference in the mean temperature of summer and winter is called as annual range of temperature. Now students, you must have realized temperature in summer is different than temperature in the winter. In summer, temperature is very high. Temperature is high means it is extremely hot. Similarly, in winter, temperature is very low, so it is very cold. So this difference in temperature in a year, in summer, in winter is called as annual range of temperature. Annual means yearly, 1 year. Similarly, the difference in temperature in a day from morning, afternoon, evening, night is called as range of temperature, and difference in temperature in summer and winter is called as annual range of temperature. Vertical distribution of temperature. Now, as we go up from surface, the temperature of the air decreases. Now, you will realize that when you're standing on surface of the air, as you go upwards in the sky, the temperature becomes lesser and lesser. The temperature near the sea level is higher and it increases in the mountainous regions. You will realize that the temperature in the sea level, when you're on the seashore in the 12 o'clock in the afternoon, it is extremely hot. But if you go on the mountainous areas, the temperature is cold. That means if you go on the mountains, you realize it is extremely cold. For example, hill stations, Mahabaleshwar or Jammu Kashmir, these areas are on the mountainous regions. Over there, it is extremely cold. Why? Because as we go up above the sea level, towards the mountainous areas, it is extremely cold. So temperature on the sea level or on the surface of the earth, it is very hot sometimes, and when we go upwards, it becomes low. For example, in the month of summer season also, if you're in the staying, you will realize that on the surface of the earth, it is extremely hot. But in the summer, if you go to Mahabaleshwar, if you go to Jammu Kashmir, yet it is cold over there. Why? Because as we move towards mountainous region, it becomes cold. You will see over here, on the surface of the earth, it is extremely hot, but as you go on the mountain, even though it is sun, it is snowfall, it is very cold on the mountainous regions. Effects of greenhouse gases. Gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor can hold heat within themselves for a longer period of time. Now, I'm sure all of you know carbon dioxide. All of us know that we release carbon dioxide from our body. So these gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, they can hold heat within themselves for a longer period of time. Due to these gases, the temperature of the air in the atmosphere increases. This leads to global temperature or global warming. I am sure all of you must have heard what is global warming. The rise in temperature along with the gases present in it is called as global warming. Now you must have realized carbon dioxide is not a good gas or healthy gas for human beings. So when we release more of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, when we cut down more and more trees, as trees gives oxygen and they take away carbon dioxide in them. So if there are no trees, the carbon dioxide, amount of carbon dioxide will not be decreased in the atmosphere. It is very important for us to plant more and more trees so that we protect the atmosphere. We require healthy atmosphere. So rise in temperature along with the gases present in it is called as global warming. You can see over here, because of global warming, the earth starts becoming, it's melting and it is having bad effects on human body. The gases due to which the temperature increases are called as greenhouse gases. For example, it could be carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. These gases, which when they increase in the atmosphere, the temperature increases. These are called as your greenhouse gases. So children, remember, we have to plant more and more trees so that the amount of carbon dioxide and these poisonous gases become less, and the amount of oxygen increases, which is going to be useful and healthy for our survival in the atmosphere. Students, I hope this video is clear to you. We have learned in the video the ranges of temperature. Daytime is the amount of temperature which goes increasing in a day is called as ranges of temperature, and the temperature which changes in a year, summer temperature, monsoon temperature, winter temperature, that is called as annual range of temperature. We learn about vertical distribution of temperature and effects of greenhouse gases. We learn about various poisonous gases, carbon dioxide gas, which is not useful for us, it is harmful for our body. So when the amount of this gas increases, it stays in the atmosphere for longer period of time, and because of that, the temperature increases, which is called as global warming. Students, I hope the video is clear to you. We'll continue the next part of the lesson in the next video. Students, please watch the video and solve the assignment. Submission of assignment will carry 5 marks as your internal marks for geography. Thank you.